everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to make sentence in present tense in Hindi. So let's start with the first person pronouns. The general rule that applies is that the sentence start with the first person pronoun, that is I, and in Hindi it's main, then the root verb, then ta if a boy is talking, and ti if a girl is talking, and the sentence ends with whom. Now let me show you some examples. For example, I drink milk. So it starts with main, which is a first person pronoun, doodh, noun, pi is your root verb, and because a boy is talking, so it's ta, pita, and it ends with whom. So to combine, it's main, doodh, pita, whom. And for girls, it's main, doodh, piti, whom.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can catch up my next video.